What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We're going to go over a trade recap on a huge trade that we took this week. Now, this week was a great week. We were just full of opportunities. We made a ton of money, but this Friday really was this little cherry on top of the milkshake of an amazing week. We had over 300% in it on next week's out. Really was in drawdown for a very small amount of time, and it was just an amazing trade. And we're going to go over, break it down, why I took that trade, what can we do to learn, how can we find other trades like this, what was the reasoning behind it. As always, if you trade live with me every single day, links are on the below, man. Just click the lives, join us, join the group. You want to credit, code 5 at checkout. First week for only $5, less than this, which is a Starbucks cup I just finished, but that was like $76, something crazy, too much. Anyway, let's get into the video. All right, let's go over the trade that we took. It's gonna be on SPY calls. We went alongside after a crazy week. So this is the trade right here onto the right side. We'll go and we took this SPY calls from the various or yellow box literally to all the way up to right around right here, and it's still going. It could have gotten probably even higher, but whatever. So first thing you may notice is removal drawings. This huge red candle. You see this huge red candle, you would think, oh my god, we're gonna go and probably nuke. Look, if I even show it on a larger time frame, you see this huge red candle. What we had today was news, non-farm payroll. It was and also unemployment. So we had 2 red folders. I think it was even 3 red folders. There was something else as well. But that's what we had today. And was a lot of people were bearish. But we always watch the technicals. The technicals are gonna tell you where you're gonna go. So what do we notice here on the hourly time frame? What do you have here? These equal lows from this week that got taken out, right? If we take our horizontal tool, we'll go to our horizontal tool. If I can find it, here you go. You see these lows got taken out with the hourly then closing back above it. What do we know? Below this lows was something that we call liquidity. So this liquidity got taken out. If you held it and you reject and you went lower, that would have been more likely an entry trigger, but you did not. You took it out and you closed back above it and then retested the top side and then went to the moon. So that's why I was looking intraday for a long type of setup. And what did we get? We got that liquidity that got taken out, right? Quick move out to the upside, creating a fair value gap here on a 5-minute, which we retraced. We entered there, stop loss below the low, and then we took it to the moon. Guys, this is a really clean setup. This is a setup that I told the chat, I was like, if I was not here, I would expect just about everybody to understand this setup because we got a lot of things in play. We got liquidity, we had news that manipulated the liquidity get taken out, and then we had a quick move up, creating a fair value gap. We come back to retest the fair value gap, entry there. That's your entry trigger, as well as forming a little bit of a bull flag here. And then the bull flag, all it's telling you is that you're gonna have a break of structure, which we did with strength. Like, look at this candle, we broke the structure, guys. Huge move to the upside, just a lot of influence, man. This was such a clean trade. Even when I look back at it, I was like, there's no way someone should not be able to take this trade. And again, understanding where we're in the market. And if you want to add a third point of confluence, we also had, if we take our Fibonacci tools, take it from the top to the bottom, look where you had, right into our golden pocket right there. So you had 3 things: fair value gap, golden pocket, liquidity get taken on the higher time frame, right, for that long type of setups, and velocity all when you're pushing higher. Because when you look for a breakout, you want to look for a strong candle, you want to look for velocity, and all the bears in this case getting stopped out, and then eventually, keeps running. So as long as, like, guys, the technical analysis, the TA never told you to go short. I guess there was a small opportunity there on 423 that did have a level that rejected, but there was a small little trade that could have been taken. But the technical analysis is telling you, hey, more than likely there's going to be a reversal here. So you got to trade a reversal. When the opportunity is presented, even if it doesn't work out, whatever it is. But if the opportunity is presented, guys, if the opportunity is presented, you got to take the opportunity and you got to make the most of it. You know where your stop loss is going to be. Below those lows, you take out the new lows. You don't want to see that. You want to see this fair value gap right here being held, and then you take it to the moon. And what is the fair value gap, guys? Very simple. You draw this rectangle. This is your fair value gap right there. Very simple entry. Everybody should be able, if you're getting a little higher, everybody should be able to spawn this out. You get in, you chill, you wait, and then you let it go, and you get to profit target. In this case, we had 4 profit target. This high being the first, the second being this area here, which was a previous day, and then lastly we took one at this highs here, and then this still going, man. We got some runners, and you gotta let your runners run, guys. If the trade is giving you what you want, stick to the trade. If the trade is giving you what you want, guys, you do not want to close that trade too early. You just want to let it run. So let it run and let it go to the moon, guys. Amazing trade. We had 15 call outs this week, 14 green, and just 1 red. Just an amazing week, amazing month. Or ending the month over 90% were rate. And again, fucking amazing day, guys. Get in the channel. Just thank me later. Get in the channel. And real quick, if you are looking for prop firm, make sure you go to Fish Fund Network. I'll leave the links down below. All you guys ask me, that's prop firm I can vouch for. So you're taking this trade on that prop firm and made past to phase 1, or get close to it. Anyway, as always, guys, hope you learned, hope you understood what we did here. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram, leave them down below. Always love to answer them. And peace out.